Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Russia's brutality in repositioning forces in Ukraine and China to ease the clash against U.S. auditors dominates the news. The news brought Hong Kong tech stocks to a halt, while the mainland markets were closed today and tomorrow due to a national holiday. In the last 3 weeks, Stoxx 600 has rallied. The European morning saw the U.S. futures edge higher. The U.S. dollar is mixed. The dollar bloc does the best among the major currencies. However, the euro and Swedish Krona trade with a stronger bias. Initial gold prices fell to $1,915 per day, but then recovered and climbed above $1,930. May WTI is priced between $1.98 and $1,1101. Asian Pacific market. Over the past year, China's relations have become more hostile to Europe. Pre-weekend summit appeared to be an expression of mutual recriminations. Beijing was warned by the EU not to assist Russia. Beijing warned that the EU should not tie its future to the US. The gap between what Australia's Reserve Bank of Australia expects and what it actually has indicated is wide. Cash rate futures indicate that the market is pricing in a June hike of 78% and a July tightening of around 40 basis points. RBA has admitted that a rate increase is possible before the end of the year. Tomorrow morning, the RBA will meet in Sydney. The Australian dollar is stable within the 2-week range of approximately half a cent on either end of $0.7500. Today, the dollar is trading in a narrow range against yen. It is currently at the JPY 122.50 mark in the European morning. Market of Europe. Germany's defense minister proposed what was previously unthinkable: ban Russian gas. Lithuania is the first EU country to do this. Notably, the G7 has agreed to limit Russia's gold selling ability. German trade rose in February after a weak January. The monthly surplus grew to 11.4 billion euros, which is 10% more than the economists expected. In the European morning, the euro trades at a 4-day low of $1.1020. Sterling trades within the pre-weekend range. It is trading within the pre-weekend range for the third session. Market of America. The Federal Open Market Committee minutes will be Wednesday's highlight for the U.S. Today's U.S. news includes the February factory orders report and the final look at durable good orders. Canada is in for a huge week. This will set the scene for the Bank of Canada meeting scheduled for April 13th. The market is leaning towards a 50 basis point rate hike. It is possible that the passive balance sheet reduction will also start soon. The week ends with March employment data. The budget will be unveiled by the government a day before the employment data. Today, the Canadian dollar has a stronger bias but remains within the pre-weekend range. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.